Namaste everyone. Today we will talk about another common problem. It's about the shoulders. When people have stiffness in the shoulders and they lose the balance of the shoulders, left and right shoulders are not equal sometimes, and the strength in both arms is not equal, and frozen shoulders sometime, 50 shoulders sometime, what people usually get after 50. Let's see what you can do at home. Let's see what you can do at your office space. Let's see what you can do alone. And we don't need any machine, any equipment for this, just yoga and a natural way, because society without medicine is our dream. Let's go one step forward for achieving this dream. Let's start the practice. First we start with some easy movements, so we will have better blood circulation in the shoulders, and let's begin with a simple rotation. Close your fingers and keep your thumb inside, and bend your elbows and try to move your elbows in the front. Try to bring them together in the front and make a big circle. Imagine like you are making a big circle in the air with your elbows, and just keep going. Try to do as much as you can, and if you feel tired or pain, just stop for a while, take a break, and then start again. The same thing you can do with a different direction. It's important to follow the direction to bring the balance between both the shoulders. Let's go for the another one. Both elbow straight now, same rotation. Just relax yourself. The most important thing is you have to relax yourself. Yoga is not about using power. Yoga is about relaxing yourself. Repeat the same from different direction, and now we can do one by one, both hands, left and right hand, up and down. Just keep swinging your arms in the air with more relaxing attitude, posture, spine. Now we have a little change here. When the hand go up, you breathe out. Because this will also help you to have more oxygen in your lungs, not only for shoulders, but it's also good for lungs, good for heart. Just one hand up, one down. When you do it few times, I think you will have enough confidence to make a grip from behind of your back, left shoulder down and right shoulder up. Try to hold your four fingers together, up and down, and don't move your lower shoulder too much. Keep focus on your upper shoulder. You can bring your upper shoulder backward as much as you can, and repeat the same from the other side. Keep your right hand down, left hand up. Now keep your focus on your left hand and push it backward as much as you can. And if you are not able to do in a beginning, you can use a band or a towel or any other piece of cloth. Just try to make a good grip and slowly try to come closer and closer. Just now you can see. Do it from the both of the sides. It will be very helpful to open your shoulders, to improve the mobility of your shoulders, and to bring strength in your shoulders. And when you are able to hold your hands from behind like this, just finger interlock and try to move them left and right. That's easy. And when you are confident enough to do this, just twist your fingers outside and move a bit more. When you do it few times, hold it left and right side 5 seconds, and then change the side for 5 seconds. Lift it upward as much as you can and just come back. And another practice You can finger interlock in the front. Keep your elbows straight and make a big circle with both of your hands. Just imagine like you are making a big circle in front of you. Do it from the both sides. This is going to be very helpful for you, for your shoulders, and for overall movement of your upper body, for your lungs, for your heart, and also it will increase your confidence, because when you achieve some positivity, it also influences your attitude. That's what we are looking for. I hope to see you soon again. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share. Thank you. Namaste.